Hello guys and welcome to another video. This time on the bench we have a motorcycle, or in our case an ATV smart screen, and if you will order this device you will get a nice unboxing experience with the screen on top, and you will see that the build quality is excellent. We have a micro SD card and a USB Type-C port on the bottom. They are protected with some screws, and besides the tablet itself you get two boxes with accessories. Each box will have a list with the accessories inside. We get two recording cameras for the front and for the back. These cameras are water resistant. Besides that we get the power cable, and in the other box, the other accessories box, we have the wired controller, the mounting case. This wired controller is especially important because you'll see that it's very practical. The user manual, everything you want to know about this tablet is on that manual, and the guys from Linkifun even thought about the installation process. You have a screwdriver, some keys, a USB adapter for the micro SD card, and even a screen protector for the tablet, which is very nice. That's it with the unboxing. Right now let's go and install this device and walk you through the main functions. Overall, the installation of the device is very simple. We have three cables coming out of the screen. Each cable has its own color. Each cable from the camera has the same color, so everything is simple. All you have to do is figure out where to fix the front camera, the back camera, and of course all the places for the wires, so there won't be any problems. What I really like about this motorcycle screen is its build quality. I really like that you have two screws for the micro SD card. These screws will protect the location from water, and of course the most important features are the Android Auto and the CarPlay functions, besides the DVR recording, which is also very important, as I will show you in a moment. So after you found a suitable spot for the screen, in our case on top of this plastic ornament, all we have to do is turn on the device and connect to the phone via Bluetooth. Once we opened the smart screen, in the settings menu we have some sub menus: touch mode, clear connections, sub-menus about the camera, the system. One important function is the clear connections one. If you want to connect with another phone and you are not using the current phone anymore, everything is simple. Once you cleared all the connections, the smart screen will not try to connect to the older phone anymore, so that's one important feature. Also in the camera settings we can adjust the quality of the videos, how long the videos can be recorded, and let me show you the nicest thing in my opinion, the remote control. This remote control can be installed somewhere near your hand, so where you keep your hand you can install this remote control, and this way you will not have to navigate through the touchscreen while driving. Using the remote control we can access the cameras, one or both at the same time. We have the home button, which will open up the navigation system if we are currently in a navigation route. And another great feature is that we can answer a phone call using the remote control. So if we have a Bluetooth headset under the helmet, we can answer the phone call without having to touch the smart screen or even the Bluetooth headset. For that we have the remote control, which is a feature we do not get in other products like this. In the CarPlay ecosystem we have all the apps: Spotify, Google Maps, Waze, and so on. And the smart screen works with a dual Bluetooth connection. So if we have the Spotify app and we want to stream out some music to a Bluetooth speaker, for instance, it's very simple. Using the dual Bluetooth connection, the music from the phone will go on to the smart screen, and from there into the Bluetooth speaker, which is another great feature that makes this product even more practical. Yeah, so everything is very simple. One more thing I want to show you. Once you start your motorcycle or your ATV, the cameras will start recording automatically. Everything is stored on the SD card. You can either record to 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes long videos, and everything can be accessed from the smart screen itself. This is another useful device for those of you who have motorcycles or ATVs, and if you have other questions, let me know in the comment section, and use the link in the video description to buy this product. Thank you for watching, thank you for your time, and until next time, drive safe. Bye bye.